Right, you lovely lot. Hope you're doing well. It's Thursday today, and that means it's whatever we've got left because our food shop's on a Friday. So I'm going to do a little cheeky chicken stir fry. Start with, I've chopped my chicken up and I'm just going to marinate it in a little bit of our soy sauce and cornstarch. Super simple, super quick this one. Good midweek dinner after you come home from the office. Pop a little bit of cornstarch in. A little sprinkle of that, give it a mix. This will give it that nice shiny look that you get from the old Chinese takeaway chicken. A bit more soy actually, that probably wasn't quite enough. Lovely. Give that a little stir, just like that. Wipe up the bits where I splashed for somehow, I don't know, I've done that. Alright. Okay, I'm going to start by frying my chicken. So a little bit of nut oil, heat on, non-stick, so wooden spoon for this one. Oh, a bit of a tune this. Shame you can't hear it. Working day's over, no surprise, a little bit of the old Wiener Magino. Wine. Not bad. Right, you want this on a lovely high heat. Let's pop that chicken straight in. And I'm going to let that cook now. Give that a little swirl. So, hope you've all had a good week. Nearly on the home stretch. Friday tomorrow. Win. It's a quick dish this, so that's why I've got everything prepped. It's much easier. You need it prepped, and then you can chuck it in when you need it. And you can really put anything in here, so I'm using whatever I've got left over. So some mange tout, red carrots, some green peas, and I've got some ginger, garlic and chilli in there, and I'm going to put a bit of oyster sauce in, chicken stock and the rice. Super simple. Super simple, super tasty. Oh no, got carried away. You can do it in smaller batches, but honestly, who cares? I just want some colour on it. I'm going to finish it off again. I can feel the beat, feel the beat, feel the beat. Oh, for goodness sake. Cutting that out. I can feel the beat, feel the beat. Nice. Back in there. Right, chicken's here, so let's get the rice on. Pop that in, water's boiling, use that. Let that cook. Just you and me today. The daughter's abandoned me, so thank you for keeping me company. Right, whilst the rice is cooking, in fact, I'm going to let it finish cooking. I'm going to let the rice cook. It only takes about 4.5 minutes. And it'll finish off in the steam, and then we'll chuck our veg in because that doesn't take long. So a little bit more nut oil. Can get that on a high heat. A little sup of the old Wiener Magino. Cheeky Australian Sauvignon this. highly quaffable. Not bad, that. Not bad at all. Bit of Ed Sheeran. Is it? No. Who's this? Yeah, it is. Guess the tune from my bad singing. Habits kick to you. Healthy bit of salt. Quite like these, but they're too small. You've got to fill them every 5 bloody minutes. Right, it's a waiting game. Right, rice is done. We'll give that a quick drain and let it finish off in the steam. Forgot my fork. What an idiot. Leave that there, lid on, forget about it. Plates are done. Right, veg. Whack this on, high heat. Everything ready. Takes about 4 minutes now. Bish bash. Right, oil's heated up. Ginger garlic chilli. Few seconds. What? Quite a bit of chilli. Veg. Oh yeah, lovely, look at that. Look at that, beaut. Do, do, do. Get in. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Winner. Absolute winner. Cheeky chicken stir fry. Few minutes, chicken in, sauce in, done. Super simple. Just my doorbell to get the kids down, give it a little ding. Saves me going upstairs shouting. Right, chicken back in. Bit of chicken stock. Oyster sauce. Bit of soy. Good bit of pepper. Good bit of pepper. Give that a mix and the corn flour from the chicken will thicken it up. Done. Lovely. Beautiful colours. Look at that, vibrant green. Oh, hello, darling. Do you know what would be quite nice? I'm going to put in a little bit of crunchy peanut butter. Can't go wrong with a little bit of crunchy peanut butter, trust me. Right. Dish that up. Whoa. Fuck, it's hot.
You need that little
Nah, asbestos fingers. I cook every night, rock hard hands. Whoa, look at that. Can't deny that's not beautiful, colourful, if you like green. Right, you lovely lot, that's us done. We're off to go eat this. Look at that, you can't deny. Right, winner, winner. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. and we'll see you on the next one.